Hello, welcome to our CER paragraph about whether or not Athens was a democracy, right? And we're actually going to play with the format a little bit because we've done several CER paragraphs by this point, and I'm guessing that you all are probably a little bit tired of the format, right? But here's the thing, you got to do something till you're a little bit tired with it so you know the rules, because once you know the rules, you can break the rules, and that's what we're going to do today, right? So instead of a CER paragraph, we're going to write an REC paragraph, which is to say we're going to use some transition words and phrases to change the order of it, but we're going to keep the essential components. So we're going to have claim, evidence, and reasoning. We're just going to do them in the opposite order. So we're going to start with our reasoning, and then we're going to have our evidence, and we're going to end with our claim. Okay. And the reason why you do things like this when you're writing is because it makes it more interesting for your reader. So without further ado, let's dig into it a little bit. Right? So some quick reminders, right? Our prompt is, was Athens truly democratic? Okay. Was Athens truly democratic? Your reasoning should provide a definition of democracy that helps to support your claim. Right? Your evidence should be examples that demonstrate your claim and your reasoning. And your claim should be some form of yes or no and answer the question, but written as a complete sentence that rephrases the question. All right, so by way of example, I'm going to use a different prompt for my example here. Okay, and the prompt I'm going to use is Ms. Gall a good teacher? So here's my claim. My claim is Ms. Gall is a good teacher. My evidence is Ms. Gall wrote this example paragraph to help us out. Reasoning. Good teachers provide examples to their students of how to complete assignments in an appropriate manner. So we've got all three parts, the claim, the evidence, and the reasoning. All right, and I want you to pay attention to those colors because that's going to correspond when we get down here. Okay, and here's as an REC paragraph. So we start with our reasoning and then we work backwards to our claim. All right, and we just use some transition words to ease that. Good teachers provide examples to their students of how to complete assignments in an appropriate manner. Ms. Gall wrote this example paragraph because she knew it would help us figure out how this format should look and read. Therefore, Ms. Gall is a good teacher. So I expanded my evidence sentence out just a little bit. Right? I explained really what it meant to help us out. And this therefore, that's my transition word, right? That's how I'm moving from my reasoning and my evidence into my claim, right? Okay. So that's the format that I want you to follow for stuff like this. And then, because Ms. Gall is a good teacher, right? I also provide additional supports to scholars who need it. So there's a graphic organizer and some sentence starters if you need them, okay? And they're also linked on the week summary page if you want to take a look for them there. And then down here, you've got your rubric to explain what we're looking for. All right, if you've got questions, if you need some help, go ahead and let me know. And otherwise, I will see you in class.